for Skywalker, right? Yes. And perfume for the princess? Yes. What about Han Solo?
Couldn't we get him earmuffs?
That leaves one big problem.
The what?
Hey guys, it's me, Enosh. Today I'm going to be showing you a Christmas special. It's about how much I don't like the things that I didn't ask for. Well, it's kind of a little bit nuts, but enjoy. Enjoy.
Let me see. We have a scarf for Skywalker, right? Yes. And perfume for the princess? Yes. What about Han Solo?
Couldn't we get him earmuffs?
That leaves...
I got a new cell phone for Christmas. I'm gonna love it forever and ever. I hate this cell phone.
Let me see. We have a scarf for Skywalker, right? Yes. And perfume for the princess?
Oh my god, you got me a guitar? Nice song. It's awesome. It totally sucks. If you would mind, Father and Mother, I'm gonna throw this to the dumpster.
Let me see. We have a scarf for Skywalker, right? Yes. And perfume for the princess?
You got me a computer? Wait, it's not Windows 8, and it has a football thing on it. I hate it.
Let me see. We have a scarf for Skywalker, right? Yes. And perfume for the princess?
You gave me a car. Small. I hate small. I'm gonna burn this piece of crap.
Let me see. We have a scarf for Skywalker, right? Yes. And perfume for the princess?
Oh my, you gave me a car? It sucks. There you have it. Kinda nuts, huh? You see how much I hate getting not what I want. All I got, I hate my Christmas present that I got this year. Look. Braces. Think it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Well, next, what the fuck am I doing? Good. Merry Christmas.
Let me see. We have a scarf for Skywalker, right? Yes. And perfume for the princess? Yes. What about Han Solo?
Couldn't we get him earmuffs?